The battery is a bit swollen. A small bulge. Can you help me change the battery? I think I saw it on Douyin. You guys have a group buy for battery replacement, right? My battery capacity is probably around 60%. Battery health is 69. I need to charge it twice a day. Okay, done. Sit for half an hour. The screen is also broken. Yeah. The screen is broken too. This side has been used for a long time. Can you clear the system for me too? It must be pretty dirty. This place is really dusty. How is the battery capacity calculated? The battery cycles for a period. It's like refreshing the battery health status. Just refresh it. Wow, it's so dirty around here. It's like transplanting. Transplanting, like replacing a small battery. Cycle replacement. The cyclic battery is swollen, small bulges. This machine is really durable. Bought it in 2020. 5 years already. After changing the battery life might last longer. 1 charge per day. Right. 1 charge per day, this new battery should be more durable. Definitely better than the old one. You can get this service at any of your stores. Can replace it anywhere, right? Yeah? Right. Big cities, you can replace it anywhere. Look, this is waterproof glue. It ensures no dust gets inside your phone. There's hardly any dust inside. Just dust around the edges. Because it's used at construction sites. Construction sites have a lot of dust and sand. I find it quite odd. The original battery had a capacity of 3,100 mAh. The new one you're replacing is 3,680 mAh. That's several hundred more. Quite a bit more. Over 500 more mAh. Yes. Can't say much. As we grow up. Lots of dust inside, especially in the speaker. Let me clean it for you. The sound should be clearer now. The earpiece sound is still very low. The sound is a bit soft. Especially during video calls. People's voices are really soft. Drip forming a strong city. Wipe away the tears. Carrying the smart sun. Okay, is your phone fixed now?